back to another video of Coulee. We're out here in the grain field. Just got dug up a couple months ago. It's gonna be a little challenge to hide, but there's like 700-800 birds in here. Should be good. We got a bunch of people with us today, and we'll put the smackdown on them. Stay tuned. Ready?
Six. Yeah, there might be.
All right, up there. Right.
They got them here somewhere.
Alright guys, so we're getting set up right now. We got, I'm guessing probably 150 up the top of this hill. So we got another 50, 75 in this section. We're making a really big spread today. It's gonna be really hard to hide. So we're just kind of setting our blinds off the side and hopefully they come right down the middle. And we kind of just pass shoot them so they keep the attention off us. As you guys can see, it's like a tilled up field here. So it's not like easy to hide or anything. So we're gonna make what we can work, but right now we just got a ton of decoys and a lot of birds in the valley, so hopefully we can smack them. See you guys out there.
It's been great for me. Better kill them.
That's how we're going to have them about 7 feet off the ground before they see us, huh?
You ready on this finger? You better shoot him up. Kill him. Who shot that? Quick, baby.
Thanks.
Brian did?
Alright guys, currently we're a brown blob right now in the middle of the field. It snowed and kind of just screwed us all up this morning. The geese are seeing us when they come pretty high right over us. We must have some more geese coming right towards us right now, so we better get back to hunting, but I'll update you guys in a few.
Yeah, I'll stay down if you want to rip them. You can rip them.
Hitting them.
You got hit in the tail, baby. You gotta kill him.
One. Flock right in front of us too. So take the single.
Oh, these are locked. These are shot.
Boy, they're high.
Guys, we just had a lot of geese fly over. Unfortunately, they're seeing us. We're just a huge blob right now. All the snow melted on our blinds, so we're just black in a white field pretty much. So they're all seeing us and they're like 50, 100 yards out and just flaring off to left to right. So, not going as planned, but we got some more, so I better get back in.
Hey, that was pretty good, boys. That was damn good. Shit, I didn't get turned around. You guys already killed them all.
Hopefully we didn't cause a wreck on the highway.
We got 3 on that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Is this one hit to the right?
Oh.
Yeah, I'll see. I don't know, raccoon. I haven't seen a raccoon.
You better kill them. They close enough? Kill them!
I didn't even see those.
Alright guys, there's a ton of birds around right now. We managed to knock out a couple more flocks.
Yeah,
it's getting a little bit better. I'm guessing we've seen over 1,000 geese flying over this field. If we would have had the snow this morning, it would have been lights out. But what can you do? So,
oh, here's a whole lot of them.
more geese.
Whole lot of them coming.
Oh, got them all. Those ones were well.
Those ones were
Right. We got 3 or 4 coming at us from the front. Come on, bud. Come on. These are looking good.
You do that, dude.
Hey guys, so we wrapped her up. I think we had around 10 birds. It was a challenging day, but we had fun. We're loading up, and you can see it's pretty white out right now. We're just a sore thumb, so not too much we can do. We need some snow covers or something to really make it work, but so far it's been all right. Fun day. So make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. and check out some more of our content. I hope you guys like it.